Respected sir, our fluid mechanics mini project is application of Pascal's law landing gear. This is submitted by Ayush Verma, Ishan Mishra, Naksha Kumar Kirdar.
Model is based on the application of Pascal law. We have tried to incorporate core mechanical engineering and show you the functioning of the landing gear with the point of fluid mechanics. Now the basic Pascal law is that the pressure change at any point in confined incompressible fluid is transmitted through the fluid such that the same change occur everywhere.
In our model, we are using water as an incompressible fluid and we are achieving the desired mechanism through the help of the same. Now I am going to explain the construction and working of the model. So the model constructed by scrap sheet metal, scrap wood and a pair of 2 syringes, and the per person cost of the model is rupees 84. Now the working of the model. The model works basically by pull and push of simple syringes which uses the Pascal's law, and it works as follows. As you can see, the model basically utilizes the Pascal's law for its working.
This simple law offers wide range of applications, and as a matter of fact, it has application mostly in mechanical engineering. Some of the basic applications include hydraulic braking, hydraulic jack, hydraulic press and hydraulic machinery. We have also dimensionally analyzed our project, and for the dimension analysis, we have taken the syringe assembly. Now we have taken the following parameters: diameter, length, velocity, density, viscosity, pressure, pipe roughness and flow rate. Now since there are 8 number of n that we got from the formula, and there are 3 j's, now we can get the k value from subtracting 8. Now we have got the value of k as 5. That means we are going to make 5 pies. Now we will select the repeating variables as epsilon, velocity and density. Now epsilon here is roughness, velocity and density. We have calculated all the pies and we have got all the functions. Now in our model we have ascertained some factors from which we have got a new non-dimensional number. We have denoted it as RQ, and it is equals to Q upon epsilon square into V.
As you can see that we have found a new dimension in this number, so please
Kindly suggest us to name it.